Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. But before I just dive into XRP, I just want to show you something about copy trading on Bybit. So I'm just going to show you this segment of the video right now, okay, for copy trading on Bybit. So taking a look at copy trading on Bybit, then I think it's an amazing system for anybody that wants to just kick back, relax, and doesn't want to stare at the charts all day, doesn't want to, doesn't feel confident about setting stop losses or support and resistance and things like that. You sort of coming into the space, then copy trading could be for you, okay? For an experienced or someone who just doesn't have much time on their hands to just stare at the charts all day, you could just enter copy trading. It's an amazing system. Now, as an exclusive offer for the CoinsKid crew right here, Bybit have said that they will compensate up to $200 for anyone's loss on their first copy trading. Basically, it means that if you come along and you join Bybit, okay, through the affiliate link, obviously in the video links right there, then any loss on the first trade of copy trading up to $200 will be compensated back to you, which is an amazing offer, I think, to be honest with you. So basically, it's like a free trade, isn't it? If you lose the $200, you get it back. So you could just come to Bybit, deposit $200 if you've not already joined Bybit, enter a copy trade. I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment, but enter someone to copy trade them. If it works, fantastic. You make money. If you lose the $200, you get it back, basically, to do what you want with, go and buy crypto or withdraw it, basically. So it's basically a free offer, isn't it, really? It's amazing from Bybit. So yeah, to take advantage of that, just click the link in each and every single video description, come to Bybit, join it through the CoinsKid crew right here, and then boom, deposit $200 and enter the copy trade. I'm going to show you how to do that right now, okay? So on Bybit, you've got certain sections. In the derivatives section, you've got copy trading, and equally in the tool section, you've got copy trading. So all you do is click the link and go to the copy trading section. So once this page is loaded, you can clearly see there's a lot of people that are available to follow at the moment. There's a lot of people that are full. You've got full there, full down here, and a lot of people you can't actually follow that tend to be a little bit more successful than others that you can't follow at the moment. So what you can do to filter out some of those people is go to All Master Traders, a little tab just there next to Top Master Traders. Click on that and go to All Master Traders right there, okay? So once this list is loaded, you'll be presented with a massive list, okay, 347 pages. You don't particularly want to sit there and go through the entire list. So you can use the filter here, a really, really cool little filter system on Bybit in the copy trader section. What you've got is time, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days. You can filter by time. Equally, you've got this master trader rank. You've got cadet, bronze, silver, gold, and then you've got the master trader type, top traders by ROI, traders with the highest profit for followers, lowest drawdown, and top intraday traders. Equally, you've got country, and then this is the best one, I think, is the master trader badge. So these are given to people that have got success rate in the trades, top profit, top ROI, things like that. So what I'm going to do is filter out some of the noise here by using the master trader badge section, okay, to filter out. So we're going to look for someone with top profit, top ROI. It's pretty stable, got a win streak, I would say high frequency. I'm going to look for high leverage as well, just to take a little bit of a degen play today on this particular video, and then veteran and trend trader as well. So what we're going to do is confirm. So what we've got right now is a lovely little list, and you can clearly see we've only got 45 pages in this list right now. So if you want to follow someone from this list, I would advise that what you do is click on their profile just to have a quick look at their success rate, okay? So if you click on their profile, for example, we'll take a look at Money Train right now. So we'll look at Money Train, and you can see he's doing pretty well. Look at that. So if we click this filter here, 7 days, go down to 180 days, we can look at their historical data. So pretty much they've been doing really well since Bitcoin bolted at the start of the year, to be honest with you, in January. Look at that, from around about the 19th of January, this has been really successful for this particular trader, okay? So if we go down the list, you can clearly see at the moment these are some of the trades that they've been doing, and you can keep an eye on their trades as well, but then you could follow them. So I think we'll just jump into the water with this particular this particular trader, and just follow them, okay? So let's go back to that page. So I'm looking to copy Money Train. All you do is click copy right there, okay? So I'm going to put in $400 at the moment, funds to copy, and I'm going to use a stop loss of, say, $100. I'm going to click agree, and then what I'm going to do is click copy now, okay? Boom. So that's me following the Money Train right now. Keep you updated on that particular little trade that I'm going through for the CoinsKid crew right there. You don't have to copy me exact for Zach, just because I've copied the Money Train right there doesn't mean you have to as well. You can find your own person to copy and iron out the results with a filter system as well. And again, if you do find anyone that's really cool and worth following, please drop it in the comments or come to Twitter, send me a message or write in a tweet as well, and we'll take a look at that and feature that particular person for the CoinsKid crew right here. Okay, so again, you can take advantage of this particular system by coming to Bybit. The links are in each and every single video description. Remember, you get $200 back on your first ever copy trade if you lose it. Okay, please take advantage of that particular opportunity right now from Bybit. Let's dive into the charts right now. So looking at XRP on the daily time frame, then what we have got is a beautiful move here for XRP, and this is something I did anticipate, to be honest with you. We met the 1618 just there off this high. Okay, so there's your low, there's your high, met the 1618. Remember, like an absolute boss. It's a beautiful little impulsive move from here to here, from there to there. Look at that, 1618, like an absolute boss. TP at that point, because at that point it said, I think you're coming in for a correction, and we've been in a correction ever since. And I said to you, I think, you know, we're coming back down. Once we break this red line with power, get multiple closes above, hold its support, that should go signal right there for XRP. I was a little bit greedy, to be honest with you. Now, we did get the protected target on the ascending triangle. This was a level of support I was looking for as this was coming down. I said to you, because you've melted through this, I think that this is exactly where XRP is going to come back down to. From that 1618 just there, it was a beautiful, beautiful move, around about 17% all the way down, you know, and I just kept shorting it. I actually went short even on this breakout here because you never got the confirmation, and people was calling me mad and crazy in there because we're breaking out, we're going to the moon, you don't know what you're talking about, and things like that. But, you know, I try and ride the waves with you, okay? I try and identify support and resistance, and the 1618 is absolute boss. Get it into your charts because it's exactly where we've got to right now. Like I said to you, if you start to break this resistance here, all you got to do is come to your charts, drop the fib on the bottom and the top, and the 1618 is your target. Now look at this for Confluent. This is why I've actually closed my long right now, and at the minute I'm actually in a short off the 1618 coming back down. I'm going to show you exactly where I'm looking to close this short. So look at that, 1618 on the dollar and a cent. Look at that, beautiful. And this is what you do. You know, I could have projected there, but it's once you break this resistance and confirm it as support, your 1618 is your target, your TP point. Always TP at the technical target, okay? 1618 is absolute boss. But anyway, aside from that, like I said to you, I think this is corrective. It's corrective wave structure coming back down to this low, because what we've got is 5 waves. We've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful potential impulsive move with a corrective move coming back down. So what we need to see is exactly what we got here is 5 waves. Okay, so at the minute we've got a 1, 2, and we're looking at a 3. So right now, this is why I've gone short, because I think we're coming back in a 4 after 1618. So this 4 is retracing back down to this low. Now the rules of Elliott waves state that we cannot lose this wave 1 high. So this is really bearish. If XRP starts to come back down and loses this wave 1 high, that's bearish. Okay, and it means that we're potentially right now could be on the cusp of a major move to the downside for XRP. Okay, so I'll keep you updated as best as I can. This right now is absolute rock solid support for any impulsive move to the upside, because what we have here for XRP, we ran into the 1618 of a potential move. So what we need to see for XRP here, the rules of Elliott wave state that, you know, if this is an impulsive wave, just like this was an impulsive wave just here, okay, so we're looking at retracement levels. What we've got is a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. Then we come back in a correction, we trace into that low, then we broke it, okay. So right now what we need to see is 5 waves here to say that this is indeed impulsive. You know, you've got impulsive, corrective, impulsive. So we need to see 5 waves, okay. So it's all about the structure and the wave count and things like that and rules. So basically what we need to see here is a 1, a 2, this is a 3. We need to see the 4 hold a key level support. Primarily this swing high would be amazing, and then start to come back up and take out that local high would mean we've got 5 waves here, okay, and then attack that white line. Now a really bullish statement would see us breaking that white line at the minute, okay. So we need to see that white line broken to get really bullish for XRP, because there always is this a bearish scenario and a bullish scenario, and every single thing you look at is, you know, it's mind-boggling, but it's all about rules and that for me, you know, and I do try and educate you in as best as I can on these rules. So right now what we need to see is this wave 4 retrace and not lose the wave 1 high. So that's immediately a rule that will sort of give us a looking glass to whether or not this is actually some kind of correction back up and we're beginning another impulsive move to the downside here. So this is your wave 1 high, okay, for the Elliott wave structure right now, and the rules of Elliott wave state that, you know, your wave 4 correction, which is what I think XRP is going through right now, is the fact that that's a 1, that was a 2, this is a powerful 3, and right now you're going for a 4, okay. The rules of Elliott wave state that if this is an impulsive move, wave 4 cannot retrace any deeper than wave 1, the wave 1 high basically. So this can come back all the way, as long as you don't see it close below that and then do something like that, because that would mean it's bearish basically. So right now we're retracing. So a normal level retracement level for me, just looking at structure, is this swing high. So for me, I think this swing high could be a really nice little sweet spot for you. Okay, we're really tight swap loss. So I'm going to look at that in a minute. But one thing we need to see here for XRP, I'm going to say Bitcoin, I do apologize. One thing we need to see for XRP is it take out this local high here before losing this wave 1 high. Okay, so I'm going to show you this. So right now you lose that before breaking that, is bearish, and it could be a looking glass to the fact that what we've got here simply for XRP was an impulsive move to the downside, an ABC corrective move back up, and we're beginning another impulsive move to the downside. So again, if you start to see this low lost before this local high broken, that's bearish, and it could indicate that this is the beginning of another impulsive move to the downside, which is going to give a looking glass to the fact that we're going to lose that low. Because like I said to you, there's a bearish count here. There's a 1, there's a 2, there's a 3, there's a 4 and a 5, and potentially what this could be as a bearish scenario is an A, B, C correction coming back up to this high that makes a lower high, and then this is beginning of a new impulsive move to the downside. So it's all about rules and Elliott wave and structure and everything from this day forward. Okay, so lose this low before breaking this high is bearish, so we need to keep an eye on this. So what we're doing at the moment is retracing. Okay, so at the moment we're looking at some key retracement levels. So from this high to this low, which is where we're tracing back down to at the moment, we can see we've lost a 236 and we're sort of attacking the 382 at the moment. So it might not be a bad idea just to put some bids on this swing low, okay, on this swing high, sorry. That is actually where I'm going to take profit on my short right now, because it looks as though we've lost a 236 and we're sort of potentially coming back to this swing high. You know, I've always said to you, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, find support where you go. So it could just be the fact that we are bullish, we're not bearish. This isn't some kind of ABC correction coming back up before another dump. Again, the validation of that is losing this low before breaking the high. And right now I'm just going to give the benefit of the doubt here to XRP that it is bullish, and I'm just going to close my short on this support, and I'm going to go long at that support, okay, because swing high, swing low. So I'll be looking to load some longs up on Bybit on the 382. It's 04326, really tight stop loss for the potential to come back up in that final fifth wave. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 retracement, 5 up to that level just there, where again I would be looking to TP at that, because that's a major level resistance. And what we could be doing over a long period of time to give the benefit of the doubt here to XRP is the fact that what we've got is resistance, higher low, resistance, higher low, and then resistance. And what we've got is a massive ascending triangle, which is going to break on the third point of contact further down the line here for XRP as a possible scenario. Okay, remember the bearish scenario exists if we start to see this low loss before that local high broken. I think that's quite a bearish statement from XRP. So again, you know, I've not got a crystal ball. I don't know what's going to do. You know, no one can see into the future. It is all about support and resistance. There always is this a bearish count as well as a bullish count. This is why I always convey to you support and resistance. But right now we've had a beautiful breakout. It's been an amazing trade for the CoinsKid crew. But you know, always TP at that 1618 as well. So what we're looking for is a 1, 2, 3, 4 hold support, break this local high before losing this local low, basically for XRP to remain bullish. Okay, hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Bye bye.